Hello guys and girls, welcome to the Wastelander Let's Plays, and today I'm gonna show you one of my single player worlds. I love building some ruins and yeah, and this is like New York sky, the top of New York, covered in sand. And the first thing I will show you is this village. I added that building and that building. So we have the blacksmith, as you can see. And yes, I have been building this all myself. Yeah, this is the blacksmith. Then I have the shop. Yeah, this is the shop, and there's some apartment up here. Then I have the Lost City, aka New York Inn. This is it. Let me go upstairs. This is one room, and this is one room, and it's the same up here. So yeah. Then this is the original city buildings, except this one. And I'm not done with this one yet, so yeah, in progress. Then I've added that into that building, so the zombies will need to go all the way up here, inside here. Then I've built this. This is a shop where you can get your clothes or weapons or whatever you need. And down here, there's nothing down there. It's just a well. This is for horses. And for horses. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we go to this. Yeah, this was my first building of a ruin. I placed the bed, placed the door, did this. So it would look like a skyscraper. And yes, let me go. This is just another well, and there's no water. I come back to that later on. Then we have this. This is a top of a skyscraper where the sand have come inside. Broken the windows, and then some guys are surviving in here. This is also a top of a skyscraper, the remaining of it. And this is a really high, have been really high skyscraper. Now it's ruins and elevator shaft and elevator shafts. Look, you can even see the floor of the next, the lower floor. some of it. Then there's this, another top of a skyscraper where the stairs was here. Now there's sand all over it, and one bed. I suppose one guy is surviving here. And this is a hospital. Yeah. When you go around here inside, you can take the stairs. There's some hospital rooms. And the stair ends here. So you have to parkour up here if you want to. This is just another top of a skyscraper, and another top of a skyscraper, and another top of a skyscraper. Nothing really in it, just the walls and sand. This is another top of a skyscraper. And this, I haven't really built this. One of my friends built that and that. And it's a gate. If you don't come here, you can go up here. You cannot come in from the outside, but if a guard or gate watcher opens the door, you can, and you can always go out. This is a prison. Yeah, a very deep prison. The guards take the prisoners here and kick them off into the water, and if they can't swim too bad, they die, but if they can, they will get up here and they can sleep here. If you go down here, there's even more beds for the prisoners. It's not quite done yet, this prison. So, and remember, leave a like, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. It would be a great help to me. The more subscribers, the more videos. And over here, there's a top of a skyscraper again, with some details on the roof. There's nothing in here, just that. And this is the top of a skyscraper. And that is the top of a skyscraper. And if I go this way, this is the cannibal village. I have done some fence and an altar, and a sacrifice place. The well, the blacksmith, the houses where they live in. And that is just an arrow so I can find back to the other place. Yeah. But wait, there's more. There's the Empire State Building. But I come to that. Yeah, there's the top of the Empire State Building. If I go down here, you can see, like, it's the top of the Empire State Building with the tower. And this inside, it's really not like looking like the Empire State Building inside, but yeah. And there's a elevator shaft down. Now I go back and show you another way down to the Empire State Building that's more awesome. If I go this way and take this well down, boom, there's remains of buildings on the sides and remains of buildings there. And then we come to the Empire State Building. Isn't this looking cool? With floors and just in a cave. And that's the rest of the hospital up there. Now I can show you the elevator shaft. Just go up here, around here, this way. You can even see up here. And then we take the elevator shaft up and out of here. Wait, there's rooms, collab rooms, and more rooms. Then sand, sand, more sand. We are upside in the top of the Empire State Building again. So yeah, that's quite it. Oh wait, I haven't shown you the alien UFO. It's over here, you can see it right there. I took some very long time to design this and build it, but I think it's done. It's quite done. Go inside here. Then this should supposed to be an elevator up. And that is a screen where they can see something on. More screens. More screens. Where they live. More screens. More screens. So, yeah. And I'm trying to make some alien lighting, but I don't know how to do that. So, if you know an idea to make that more alien-like ship, please comment down below. There's this, and this is taken for wage. The game, if you know that. You know, when the Earth gets hit by a meteor, the people is they put some people in stasis in here, like they stand here. In the start of the game, you are one of the stasis people, and you get out. And that is another little alien-like ship with alien eggs. So yeah, that's quite it. But comment, leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. So there's nothing more to show, so I will end this video here. But please support me. Thank you for watching. The Wastelander out.